In the shadow of World War II, the horrors committed by Nazi Germany had left the world reeling. The question of accountability for such atrocities loomed large, sparking a global conversation about the need for an international body to prosecute war crimes. The stage was set in 1945, with the establishment of the United Nations, a global organization aimed at maintaining international peace and security. Yet, the fledgling body lacked a mechanism to bring individuals accountable for the most heinous crimes against humanity. Fast forward to the 1990s, as the world watched in horror as genocide unfolded in Rwanda and Yugoslavia. The international community was once again faced with the question of accountability. It was during this time that a group of legal scholars, diplomats, and human rights activists began to push for the creation of a permanent international criminal court. Their efforts culminated in the Rome Statute, a treaty that established the International Criminal Court, ICC, in 1998. The ICC was designed to prosecute individuals for genocide, crimes against humanity, war crimes, and the crime of aggression. On July 1, 2002, the ICC officially began operations. Since its inception, the court has faced numerous challenges, from securing cooperation from states parties to ensuring fair and impartial trials. One of the most high-profile cases to date was the arrest warrant issued for Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir in 2009, accused of war crimes and genocide in Darfur. Despite resistance from the Sudanese government, the ICC continued to pursue justice, demonstrating its commitment to holding those accountable for atrocities. The ICC continues to operate today, striving to bring justice to victims of war crimes and crimes against humanity. Its existence serves as a testament to the global community's commitment to upholding human rights and ensuring that those who commit such atrocities are held accountable. However, the ICC is not without its critics. Some argue that it is politically motivated, targeting certain leaders while ignoring others. Others question its effectiveness in bringing about peace and reconciliation. Despite these criticisms, the ICC remains an important institution in the pursuit of justice. It stands as a symbol of hope for victims of war crimes and crimes against humanity, offering a path towards accountability and healing. In the words of its founding prosecutor, Luis Moreno Ocampo, the International Criminal Court is not just a court. It's a state of mind. It's a way of thinking about a more just world. The ICC continues to strive towards this vision, working tirelessly to bring justice to those who have suffered and to ensure that such atrocities are never repeated.